Collard Greens TV, Collard Greens Gardening. We're here in Mount Vernon, Illinois at the Mount Vernon Community Garden. As you see, most of these beds are starting to fill up. They're looking really good. If you're interested in getting a bed, please contact the Mount Vernon Community Gardens. I do believe she still has about 5 or 6 beds left. There are still some empties out here. Bring your children out. Trust me, children would like to be outside. Mount Vernon Community Gardens. And you can eat it. That's a plus, right? But as you see, there are empties over there. But again, it's Mount Vernon, Illinois. Mount Vernon Community Gardens. Some people have planted and their stuff is starting to come up, as you see. Look like somebody's got some corn coming up. But again, it's Mount Vernon, Illinois, Mount Vernon Community Gardens. Yay, yay.